So I went to Snag and all I got was some footage of us fooling around. Oh god damn, it's so dark. I can just tell you about it. Like when I went, there was like nobody there. So I'm gonna go again because I'm gonna try it again because apparently it's not always like that. I'm really dressed up today. My dad, I haven't seen him in a really long time, and he bought me tickets to go to a band called Clutch, and I'd never heard of the band before, but apparently they're good. And then I found out from a friend that apparently Mastodon is opening, and I've seen Mastodon before, and I really liked it. It was such a fun show. So now I'm really excited. I'm going with my dad, and I haven't seen him in a long time, so I didn't want to be like, hey boys! I like my makeup today. I'm gonna try and get some better photos. The lighting in here totally sucks. I'm sorry. My stepdad's watching hockey downstairs. Does this help? Ooh, makeup. Let's get trucking. Go to a concert, yeah. Looks like got me a limo. What?
What?
I gotta film this. I've never been in a limo before.
No way.
Nope.
All right.
This is crazy. Look at the blue light. I'm gonna be drinking in a limo for the first time.
Here you go.
With 2
You
cups.
have to use the.
I just wanna.
You want ice?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse my fingers.
Cool. So there's like music.
So is that okay?
Tech.
Is that?
Yep.
But I'll let you. I'll give you that.
I don't care what it is.
Well, and I start laughing, and the guy behind the counter goes, "Oh, that's Sean!" Uh-oh. What'd you do? Black, anyways.
It's so black. So I just got home from Clutch, and yeah, the show was great. Clutch was actually so cool, and I saw Mastodon again. I got to be in a limo. That was crazy. My dad showed up, he was just like, look for the big white car. And I've never been in a limo before, so that was cray-cray. Goat, eyeball, power to the boobs. Get away from my food, you. Good night, and this is the end. Good.